Hello everyone. You know how powerful Sora 2 is, right? See the power of a Sora 2 generated video created completely free. And in the next video, I'll teach you how to remove the watermark using N8N.
इंडिया में सोरा 2 फ्री नहीं है।
अरे बेटा हम इंडियन जुगाड़ू हैं।
Thanks. It's lovely.
So is the smile.
So what exactly is Sora? Sora 2 is an AI video generator by OpenAI that turns simple text prompts into stunning cinematic videos. You just describe what you imagine, and Sora 2 brings it to life automatically. Now let's talk about prompting. If you want detailed prompts, it's super easy. Just open ChatGPT, click Explore GPTs, and search for Prompt to Sora. You'll find examples that convert any short idea, even in another language, into a perfect Sora-ready cinematic prompt. In this demo, I used a dairy milk concept. I simply pasted my short idea, dairy milk, har pyar ki ek nayi kahani, and Prompt to Sora instantly generated a complete cinematic script for Sora 2. Once your prompt is ready, you can access Sora 2 in just a few steps. Install the Urban VPN proxy extension because Sora 2 isn't free in India, and set your location to USA. Search Sora 2 OpenAI on Google or go directly to sora.chatgpt.com. Log in with your ChatGPT account if needed. When asked for an invite code, visit Escaping Work Sora for all and request one. If it says invalid, simply try another until it works. Once inside, you'll see the Sora 2 dashboard with trending videos. Now paste your dairy milk prompt and wait a few seconds. Boom, your video is ready.
कोई
You
बात
can then
नहीं।
download and
अच्छा
share
लगा।
it anywhere,
मीठा पसंद है?
YouTube, Reels, or any
शायद
creative project.
अभी पता चलता है।
That's
धन्यवाद।
it.
बस
Your
थोड़ा
full
सा
Sora 2
बिल्कुल
setup
सही।
is
कुछ मीठा
done.
हो जाए।